Welcome back. Today, we're diving into ISO20022, a new universal language for financial messages that's about to transform how money moves worldwide. We'll break down what ISO20022 is, why it matters, and which crypto projects are built to thrive in this new era. Let's get started. First up, let's talk XRP. Ripple's mission? Revolutionize cross-border payments. Sending money internationally is slow and expensive. Ripple uses XRP as a bridge currency, making transfers nearly instant and far cheaper. Here's where ISO20022 comes in. It's the new messaging standard for banks worldwide. By being ISO20022 compliant, Ripple can integrate directly with banks' upgraded systems, making XRP a natural fit for the future of global payments. Ripple's on-demand liquidity service uses XRP to settle transactions in seconds, not days. Instead of replacing banks, Ripple offers them a superior tool, one that speaks the same language as the financial giants. As Swift and major banks adopt ISO20022, they'll look for partners who are already fluent. Ripple is ready. Ripple has even helped shape the ISO20022 standards, ensuring their tech fits perfectly. Fast, cheap, reliable payments, XRP delivers, and ISO20022 is the instruction manual that lets banks use it. This combination makes XRP one of the most watched assets as the financial world upgrades. The bottom line? Ripple isn't just crypto for crypto's sake. It's crypto built for the new financial system. If you're watching the future of payments, keep your eye on XRP. Let's move on to the next big player. Next, let's talk Stellar and its token, XLM. While Ripple targets big banks, Stellar focuses on financial inclusion, connecting people and small institutions, especially in developing regions. Stellar's goal is to make sending money as easy and cheap as sending a text, even for those without traditional bank access. ISO20022 is a game changer here. It lets local payment providers connect with global banks, opening up the world economy to the unbanked. By adopting ISO20022, Stellar becomes a bridge between isolated financial systems and the global mainstream. Digital dollars or euros can move on Stellar and settle seamlessly with banks, thanks to this shared standard. Think of Stellar as building local roads, and ISO20022 as the highway connecting those roads to the world. The result? More people can access, use, and benefit from global finance. Stellar and Ripple may share roots, but their missions are unique and both rely on ISO20022 to reach their goals. For Stellar, it's about democratizing finance and making sure no one is left behind. Now, let's see how DeFi is getting in on the action. Enter Cardano and its token, ADA, a platform built for secure, scalable, decentralized finance. Cardano's methodical, peer-reviewed approach aims to create a financial operating system for the world. For DeFi to go mainstream, it must connect with traditional finance. That's where ISO20022 comes in. Compliance means Cardano's smart contracts can interact with banks and real-world assets, not just crypto. Imagine tokenizing real estate and using it as collateral in a DeFi loan seamlessly thanks to ISO20022. This standard signals to regulators and institutions that Cardano is serious about interoperability. For Cardano, ISO20022 isn't just about payments, it's about trusted, reliable data exchange between old and new finance. That's how Cardano aims to bridge the gap and power the next generation of DeFi. Now let's talk Quant and its token, QNT, the project built for a world of standards like ISO20022. Quant's overledger isn't a blockchain, it's a universal translator connecting blockchains and legacy systems. Right now, most blockchains can't talk to each other, or to banks. Overledger changes that. ISO20022 standardizes financial messages. Overledger standardizes blockchain communication. Together, they create a super connector for the global financial ecosystem. Imagine a transaction that starts on a private blockchain, settles with XRP, and records on Ethereum. Overledger makes it possible. QNT is the key to accessing this network, used for fees and licenses. As finance becomes multi-chain, interoperability is a must-have, not a luxury. Quant's early focus on standards positions it as essential middleware for the future of finance. They're not just building roads, they're building the entire interchange. Next, let's look at a blockchain built for speed and enterprise. Meet Algorand and its token, Algo, designed for enterprise adoption from day one. Founded by MIT's Silvio Micali, Algorand claims to solve the blockchain trilemma: security, scalability, and decentralization. Its pure proof-of-stake mechanism enables thousands of transactions per second with instant finality. As real-world assets like stocks and bonds become tokenized, Algorand's speed is crucial. ISO20022 ensures these digital assets can communicate with legacy financial systems. Institutions can issue tokenized bonds on Algorand and report them using standard financial messages. This makes Algorand a high-performance settlement layer that still speaks the language of banks. Enterprises get cutting-edge tech without losing compatibility with existing infrastructure. Algorand is the fast lane for the future of finance. Now let's look at Hedera and its token, HBAR, a public ledger using Hashgraph, not blockchain. Hashgraph enables massive throughput and low fees, perfect for enterprise-grade applications. Hedera's governance includes giants like Google and IBM, building trust for big business. For industries like supply chain and payments, ISO20022 compliance is essential. Hedera ensures its data and messages fit seamlessly into existing corporate systems. Enterprises get speed, security, and compliance. No silos, no chaos. Hedera bridges the gap between innovative tech and the realities of global finance. For Hedera, ISO20022 is a core part of its enterprise appeal. Let's go futuristic with IOTA and its token, MIOTA, built for the Internet of Things. IOTA's Tangle architecture enables feeless, high-volume microtransactions between machines. In a world of smart devices, this is essential for the machine-to-machine economy. But eventually all those transactions need to connect to human financial systems. ISO20022 lets IOTA's machine payments integrate with corporate accounting and banking. Companies can automate, reconcile, and report IoT activity without friction. IOTA isn't just for machines, it's a bridge to the real-world economy. ISO20022 ensures the IoT future plugs into global finance. Finally, let's talk XDC Network and its token, XDC, focused on digitizing global trade finance. Trade finance is slow, paper-based, and fragmented. XDC's hybrid blockchain brings transparency and privacy where needed. Smart contracts replace paperwork, and tokenized invoices unlock liquidity for small businesses. ISO20022 compliance is critical. Trade finance relies on seamless communication with banks. XDC ensures digital instruments can be processed by the global banking system. Banks can issue digital letters of credit and settle them using standard SWIFT messages. The XDC token powers transactions, smart contracts, and DeFi within the network. By focusing on a high-value niche and deep integration, XDC is solving real business problems. It's blockchain working with, not against, the financial establishment. That's a look at ISO20022 and the crypto projects built to speak this new financial language. From cross-border payments to IoT, this isn't just a technical update, it's the foundation for a new financial system. Interoperability is the key. The projects that connect seamlessly with banks and institutions are set for long-term success. The ISO20022 transition is happening now, and it's reshaping finance behind the scenes. Keep an eye on these projects, they're building the rails for the future of money. Thanks for watching, stay curious, and keep learning about crypto.